Yeah, once again, I'll get the building name in the description. It works, okay. It just looks like another Murphy though. Okay, I'll let you hop in first. I guess try 3 then, or that looks to be locked. 2 works. Oh, this is traction.
Doesn't even have a certificate.
No, it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know what the lowest floor is. I guess B? Yeah. All right, yeah, I'll get a brief cab view. There's a Joran yet again. It's pretty big, I will give him that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's got a 4,000 pound capacity, so. No, that's nothing. I guess we'll take one more. It is traction rather than hydraulic. I guess that's a plus. I think we'll just go back. Actually, do you want to press it? I think we'll go to maybe grounder 1, I think. Yeah. Well, your overall thoughts?
It's big. It's good.
And decently quick, too.
Yeah.
Props to them for making it traction, at least. Up there it goes. And that'll be it.